Hey Emily, I'm going to walk you through a quick example of how you can use a null or empty string comparison in Provar. So depending on your use case, wherever you're pulling the variable from, I'll just do a quick example. So if I'm setting a value here, dragging from the test palette, we'll just call this null value. And I'll leave the value blank. If you leave it empty or null, Provar interprets it the same way. It's the same way for a null comparison. So then if I do an assertion here, so the result, I want to make sure that it is equal to null. I'm just doing curly braces here and then null like that, and that's recognized as a null or an empty string. In this case, my target is my null value. I'll save this and then I'll just run this in debug mode so I can show you the variables. If I run the test case really quickly, it'll just perform that assertion and we'll see that it does pass. If I click in the test runner and click on the test step here, we can go to the variables tab in Provar. We can see our variables before and after each test step. So we see the null value is actually set to empty. And performing that comparison, null and empty are interpreted the same way. So we're able to make that comparison to the null values like this. Hope that helps.